Red reset filter light is on. On my GE microwave.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
GE microwave. Model number JVM7195DK3WW installed 8 months ago.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, okay.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question.
Okay. Thanks. No. I don't have the money.
Sorry, I was looking up your model. You can ignore the phone option. The site sends that automatically. Okay, so the filter light comes on after approximately 6 months. To reset it, just press and hold the filter reset button for 5 seconds. That should remove the light and reset the timer. This light is just a timed reminder to soak the filters below your microwave in soapy water and try to clean them every 6 months. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
That doesn't work. Because it says push for 3 seconds but it doesn't do anything. It stays red and lit.
Try to unplug the microwave for 5 minutes and try again. If it still won't work, your display board isn't working properly, so call warranty at 1- to have them replace it.
Okay. We'll try that.
Okay, good luck.
Thanks.
Of course.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.